Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you will be seeing freehand painting Chrysanthemum on Mangalagiri Saree. This is metallic chrysanthemums on pallu. This is pallu design. My details are in this video and below this video in description. Those interested can order and learn online professional courses. For more information on art, do click the link of my website in the description below or in about, and you will know about the different courses, professional certificate courses. These are metallic blue chrysanthemums. I have taken round brush number 8 to paint these chrysanthemums. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tango, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. Those interested can contact me. There are basic and advanced courses starting from 1000 onwards. This is the border design near the pleats. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques and tutorials. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.